fellow DentChemers is going to get some more practice here with some R and S. We'll go straight into it. I need to locate stereocenters, so if you're not comfortable with that, I'll link a video at the end, a DentChem video, of course, that reviews on how to locate those. That's going to be step number 1. Once we can do that, I can see here I have a stereocenter right here with our amine with a wedge, and right here with our chlorine and a dash. Nowhere else do I have a carbon making 4 distinct groups. These are my 2 stereocenters. I'll start here with the chlorine. First step here, once I've located my stereocenter, prioritize based on size at first point of difference. First point of difference here is going to be 2 carbons, a hydrogen, and chlorine. There's difference there. Our chlorine will get number 1. It's the largest atom right away. Next, I have a decision to make between my 2 carbon chains, and this is where first point of difference is going to come in play. So right now I have carbon and carbon. Those are going to be the same. But notice on these 2 carbons, I have bonded to them. The left one has 2 hydrogens and a carbon bond. The one on the right has a nitrogen, that's pretty large, a carbon, and 1 hydrogen. So first point of difference, I'm going to say the carbon chain to the right is larger at the first point of difference than the one on the left. Overall, my carbon chain to the left may be larger overall, but it's first point of difference. That's where we're going to use, for R and S, we're going to look at that. So this is a good example of a tricky problem that a lot of students might get stumped on. It's not the total chain we're looking at. It's first point of difference. And in this case, our nitrogen right here, larger than carbon, we're going to take that as our priority group number 2. Not drawn in here, I have a wedge with a hydrogen on it. That should be sounding off alarm bells because our smallest group happens to be a wedge. So remember what we do at the end. My second step, I've designated priority numbers to each of my groups. I'm going to connect 1, 2, and 3 together. So 1, 2, 3. I'm currently going counterclockwise, but because hydrogen, our smallest group, is a wedge, I need to flip that. So instead, I will be going clockwise. And clockwise, we should know, means R. Erase some stuff up here, give me some room. This stereocenter here will be R. Hopefully that's what you got. If not, review your answer for this stereocenter. We'll try again and we'll get some more practice down here. With our amine stereocenter, our amine is going to be number 1. Our carbon chain to the left is larger than the right, first point of difference. So this will be number 2. Our carbon chain to the right will be number 3. Not drawn in is hydrogen with a dash, and that will be number 4. Based on size, those are my priority groups. I connect 1, 2, and 3. I'm currently going counterclockwise, and I don't need to flip it because hydrogen is already going back. My smallest group is already going back, so I'm going to keep this counterclockwise and say that this stereocenter here is S. S. There we go. Stereocenter number 1, I'll call it, was R. Stereocenter number 2, we'll call it, is S. Down here, we'll locate stereocenters, and then we're going to go through our 2.5 steps of R and S. Notice I have a wedge here, but I can't assume that's necessarily a stereocenter. This carbon, notice, is making 2 bonds to methyl carbons, so the same CH3 groups. So although there's a wedge there, it's there to fool you. And you'll see it probably in class, and you might see it on standardized tests too. So this is not a stereocenter. I should only have 1 stereocenter here, and it's indicated with this dash down here with the fluorine on it. This is going to be our single stereocenter in this molecule. Prioritize groups based on size, first point of difference. First point of difference, right away, fluorine is larger than our carbons, so it will be priority number 1. I have a decision to make between my 2 carbons, so I would just go first point of difference here. First point of difference between the carbon on the left and the carbon on the right. The carbon on the right is bonded to 2 carbons. The one on the left is bonded only to 1. So this group is larger at first point of difference. That will get priority group number 2. This is going to get number 3. And not drawn in is a wedge with my lowest group, hydrogen. And again, that should be sounding off alarm bells. I'll connect 1, 2, and 3 together. 1, 2, 3. I'm currently going counterclockwise, but because hydrogen, our smallest group, is a wedge, I need to flip that. So instead of going counterclockwise, I actually need to be going clockwise. And clockwise, as we know, should be R. So this single stereocenter down here should be R. I hope that makes R and S easier to understand. It condenses it down in just a few simple steps. That's all DentChem is supposed to be. And I hope that you like this video, you subscribe to the channel, and support the cause. Make OChem easy, accessible, and free. Thank you for watching.